Hello everybody, my name is Stone, and yes, I have pre-opened the packages already. This is because fucking I don't want you to see my address, and I also don't want to have to blur it. So, before I show my address on a completely different thing. Right. So this should be the jacket. Yo, that thing is thick. What the fuck? Hell yeah. That thing is chonky. And then... oh, stickers! Yeah! I love stickers. Okay. And these are the riding pants. They are technically leggings, but they're meant as like an underlayer, so fuck you if you have anything to say about it. And hell, I might even just have my ass out. I don't know, I might just be cheeked up. And then, oh well, some riding shoes. They look pretty neat. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah, brother. So, I finally have, and I have gloves on the way. They just haven't arrived yet. So, I actually have gear to fucking wear. I only have like one hand, so I'm going to put it on and see how it looks. I'll be right back. I mean, better than what I had before, that's for sure. Be more protective. How does it make my ass look? Like I said, it's an underlayer. It looks very strange with the rest of it, I'm not gonna lie. But, yeah, and I'll have to find something a little lighter than this for future, but for now, it is fine. And the shoes fit pretty damn nice. Actually, hold on, how far? Able to see them shoes on my weird ass feet, my weird ass legs, my oddly skinny legs compared to the rest of my body the way it looks like right now. So, yeah, I mean, pretty far. Kind of want to go test some of this out on a ride, but not like fall, but I mean like get used to wearing it, because it is quite uncomfortable. But anyway, this is about it. Just want to show off my new gear, and eventually I will have gloves as well. So anyway, thanks for watching this kind of short one about my gear. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.